So we're gonna be putting transmission fluid inside this Mercedes GL550 2013. Not too many video of these on YouTube, so I figured I'd make a video, put it on YouTube. You're gonna need a pump. The vehicle does need to be on so it cycles all the oil. So there's a drain plug here. If you guys remove the plate that comes here under the transmission, this plug, you can be able to pump it into there, because there is just one plug here. Let me see if I can get a good view. There's this one plug right there. I know you see it. It's a star key. It's a 24 millimeter, I believe, but we don't have that here. We don't carry that here. So I'm gonna do it this fashion way and put the oil in there. So if you guys see, right under the transmission pan, there's a bolt that you could remove to drain your old transmission fluid and put more into it. But your vehicle does have to be on. Leave it in park.
Yep. Dale. All you gotta do is like pump it 2 times, and she keeps throwing up. This guy kept pumping and pumping, and this shit went.
You just gotta pump that up. You gotta take it easy so it can cycle through the transmission. It's coming out. You gotta push it up more. Yeah.
Now you go ending. Que tengo una valvulita que va ahí pegada.
Yeah, we don't have that. No, it's empty.
How many quarts you got? 6 quarts?
6, I believe. I mean, there was a gallon in 1 quart, so that's like 4 quarts, 5 quarts.
Yeah. Okay.
I believe it calls for 8 or 9.
But that's only when you change the oil. We haven't changed the oil. We just added some too.
So that is how you guys change the transmission fluid on the Mercedes GL550 2013.
Coño. Miré la cara para mirarte a ti. Estoy saliendo de nunca.
You will have drippage all the time, guys. So make sure you guys have a pan down below to catch all the fluids.
And the guy's doing it, can't be looking at the camera.
Yeah, because that needs to fill up the converter too.
What you got there?
How much?
Yeah.
I can't see.
You see the color?
About 1 line left. Oh, I'm pretty sure it would take all that.
Yeah, probably answer.
But we'll get all this in there, see how it... No, you can't change it yet.
No, you can't put it in gear.
No, yeah, it has to stay in park.
Start banging. Eso lo meto todo, y si if it's has too much, it throws it out anyway.
Yeah, it throws it back out if it's too much.
Yo lo que le tengo miedo que este le dio vuelta a eso, no sé si se aflojó. I'm not gonna see the pop up in my face, huh? He pumped it up like
You got a little bit left. Little bit left. All in that line. There it goes. The transmission will suck it too, because it's cycling.
Where's the screw? I got it.
It does leave a mess, guys, so beware.
Mega mess.
Beware. We did get the new one in there. You need to tighten that a little bit. Se está saliendo.
Yeah.
So we gotta make sure that that plug bolt is tightened, nice and tight. Not too tight where you would strip it out.
Snug.
Nice and snug.
You don't want to strip that screw then.
I'm tasting transmission fluid right now, guys. But that's how we do a top off on the transmission fluid on the Mercedes GL550. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys learned something today.
Did it work?